In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit in Davinci Resolve 14 with a beginner tutorial. If you're new to video editing or just starting with Davinci Resolve, don't worry. We'll walk through the essential steps to get you going. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to open Davinci Resolve by heading over to its application on your device. Davinci Resolve is a powerful editing tool created by Blackmagic Design, and it's widely used thanks to its comprehensive suite of features available even in the free version. Once you've got it open, you'll see its well-organized interface. It might seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry, we'll take it slow. Next, you'll want to click on a project to get started. If you've already got a project in mind, go ahead and open it from the list that appears. Otherwise, you can start a new project. This is where all the magic starts, as you'll be able to see your timeline and how your clips are coming together as we go along. Now that your project is open, direct your attention to the edit page. This page is the heart of your editing work in Davinci Resolve. You'll find it at the bottom of the interface. The edit page is where you begin structuring your video. It's laid out with a timeline where you can arrange your clips, add transitions, and more. After you're comfortably set on the edit page, it's time to bring in your media files, which is the foundation of your project. Look towards the top left part of the screen and click on the media pool. This panel is essentially your library, where all your imported assets reside and where you can manage them. Click on import media from the media pool to bring your video files into your project. You can select one or multiple files that you want to edit. This is done by navigating your file explorer to the location of your media, selecting the files and confirming your selection. Once imported, they'll appear in your media pool ready to be dragged onto the timeline. Select the files you need and then place them onto the timeline within the edit page. Now you're ready to start editing. With your clips in place, you can trim, move and adjust them as needed. This includes cutting clips, adding music or voiceovers, applying effects and more. The edit page gives you all the tools you need to transform your raw footage into a polished video. So there you have it, a quick run through of the basic editing steps in Davinci Resolve 14. With practice, you'll become more comfortable and start using more of its powerful features. Keep experimenting and soon you'll be creating videos like a pro. Thank you for watching and happy editing.